Hello everyone, my name is Rishapal. I am from West Bengal, India. Today I am going to present a topic, the type of resistance microbes responsible for food spoilage. This paper is published in International Journal of Science and Research. This is the paper ID. First of all, we will enter the introduction part. The resistance microbes responsible for food spoilage represent an ongoing challenge to the food safety and preservative effects worldwide. So, microorganisms have multiple mechanisms to adapt to the adverse condition to the food processing. Like microbial resistance to the food spoilage is illustrated by spore-forming bacteria such as Bacillus and Clostridium species. These microorganisms have evolved robust protective structure including endospore that allow them to withstand extreme temperature, desiccation and chemical agent. Furthermore, the antibiotic resistant strain Salmonella and E. coli have developed resistance to antimicrobial through genetic mutation. So, this review paper emphasizes the importance of the understanding microbial resistance for developing effective strategy in food safety. Then what is food spoilage? Food spoilage is a detrimental change in the food, a significant environmental issue and the concern for the food industry results in food become undesirable for consumption. The main culprit is include insect physical damage, enzyme and microorganism. So addressing this is the very crucial sustainability and safety. The microbial decomposition of food produces substrates such as organic acid, ester, carbonyl, diamine alcohol, sulfur compounds. Next, factor affecting food challenge. Food contain nutrients like carbohydrate, protein and lipid. These are attracting both microbes and humans. Living organisms such as plant and animal have defense against microorganisms. But once they are inactive, spoilage microbes thrive. Reformulation can inadvertently promote the microbial growth. Microbial behavior in food. Temperature, pH, water activity influence microbial growth in the food. The temperature range 40 degree to 140 degree Fahrenheit termed as the threat zone. And the pH also the most microorganisms live in the pH 6.6 to 7.5. While few thrive has a highly acidic condition and below pH 4.0, water activity ranging from the less than 0 to greater than 1 indicate the microbe growth. Here is the example of resistance microbe involvement in the food industry. Spore forming bacteria. Spore forming bacteria are a group of microorganisms such as Bacillus and Clostridium capable of forming highly resistant spore which are the survive in harsh conditions and contribute to the food spoilage. Spore forming bacteria like Clostridium botulinum produce the toxin botulinum that lead to the foodborne illness and an enzyme causing spoilage by degrading the food. Additionally, they generate gas such as few component carbon dioxide that lead to the blotting of the food. This resilience to the environment stress allow them to persist the food processing and storage contribute to the spoilage. Bacillus species by secreting proteolytic and lipolytic enzyme, Bacillus species such as Bacillus subtilis and Bacillus vidensis implication food spoilage in the extended shelf life. Bacillus cereus is known to the produce enterotoxin that cause food poisoning. Bacillus licheniformis produce lipase that contribute to the decay of various food. Clostridium species, Clostridium perfringens, Clostridium botulinum produce the alpha toxin and botulinum respectively that can cause the serious foodborne illness. Clostridium difficile, an important nosocomial pathogen and emerging foodborne pathogen, produce endospore that mainly cause the disease in processed seafood. Clostridium eschuricum produce gas and have linked to the red meat spoilage. Antibiotic resistance bacteria. Antibiotic resistance bacteria resist antimicrobial through mechanisms like horizontal gene transfer, efflux pump, and the genetic mutation. Salmonella typhimurium become cause the food spoilage by overproducing the ACR-AB Tolsi efflux pump and also associate the alteration in the outer membrane. Escherichia coli become many antibiotic resistant by the presence of the extended spectrum beta-lactam ESBL gene that are located in their mobile gene element. Pseudomonas species. Out of all Pseudomonas species, Pseudomonas aeruginosa involved mainly in food spoilage. It analyzed the mechanisms such as antibiotic modifying enzyme and biofilm production. Then the food spoilage caused by the yeast. Is food spoilage caused by the yeast occur through several mechanisms such as fermentation in the food generate ethanol, carbon dioxide and organic acid due to the over fermentation and promoting the spoilage. Off flavor like acetaldehyde from certain yeast species signal the spoilage. Enzyme produced by the yeast break down nutrient and altering the texture and accelerating the spoilage. Zygosaccharomyces bisporus has been reported to spoil food by producing off flavor, even bursting of the food container. Candida species, commonly found in the various food, use of their enzymatic activity to metabolize the sugar and produce organic acid. Food spoilage caused by the mold. Mold produce hydrolytic enzyme that breaking through the food components. Certain mold generate toxin, mycotoxin like alpha toxin that poses the health risks. Aspergillus contamination can occur at various stages of the food production. Food produce volatile organic, aspergillus produce the volatile organic component and the alpha toxin, ochratoxin, fumicin type of most common mycotoxin. Penicillin produces enzymes